Hello everyone, in this video we'll be guiding you on how to get a refund on Patreon. Now Patreon itself does not handle refunds. Refunds are the responsibility of the individual content creator. Therefore, in order to get your refund, you'll need to make a request of a refund directly to the creator. This can be done through a direct message to the creator. Now there are some points you need to take note of. Double charges can occur especially at the end of month pledges. Now, some creators may offer refunds in these instances. However, do take note that on the creator's side, they also are victims of scams where individuals pledge, access the content, and then request for a refund. Due to this, creators may be hesitant to grant refunds as it can be difficult to distinguish legitimate requests from scams. So if you're trying to make a request, you might want to think of that point. Now, if a creator does not offer a refund despite your best efforts and your sincerity, a fair alternative is to request the content that you pay for during the charged period. In summary, you have to make a direct communication with the content creator to request a refund, and the decision to grant a refund is at the creator's discretion. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.